Assalamu alaikum, student of class 6. Hope you are fine. My name is Muhammad Abul Kashan. I am here to conduct a math class for you. Let's start. Before starting, please take book, copy, and pen in hand. Go to the chapter 3 integers, chapter 3 integers, and exercise 3.2. Our today class number online class was 12. Put the date. So let's start the class. We have a plan today to solve 2BG, 3AD, and 4B. So these are the problems we will discuss and solve here. Please be attentive. Try to understand. Now read the problem to number 2. Add without using number line. What was our previous class? Our previous class we add numbers using number lines. Today we add numbers without using number lines. So what is the A here? Sorry, B, 2B. Minus 30 plus 18. Minus 13 plus 18. Students, we have to add. This is the reverse sign. One is minus, another one is plus. So if we have to add minus 13 with plus 18, then we have to look at the sign here. Which sign is greater? Which one is the greater number? We have 13 one number, another number is 18. 13 with minus sign, 18 with plus sign. That means here is the more part, that means plus is the stronger. Plus 18, that means the number of quantity plus 18 is more here. That's why we have to put plus sign is equal to plus. And 13 and 18, what is the difference in between? The difference in between 5. So we can write minus 13 plus 8 is equal to, we can write plus 5. So this is the solution for B, and for D minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. To adding numbers, we have to calculate same sign in one side and another side in other sides. Here all are minus. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus. So we have to add all the numbers in one side. That means 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And what is the sign here? Minus. That means what would be the result? Minus 6. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So minus 1 again minus 2, again minus 3. How many minus number is here? 1 minus here 1, minus here 2, and minus here 3. So minus 1, another minus 2, that means minus 3, another minus 3, that means minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. So what is the result here? Minus 6. Students, so like this we have to solve. To be like this and to be like this. Now we will solve 3a and b. 3a. Add 137 and minus 35. 137 add, that means plus minus 35 minus 35. So this is the mathematical expression. Add 137 and minus 35, that means 137 plus minus 35. So here is no sign, that means what is the sign here? Plus. So this is the one side and minus 35, here is the other side. And what is the difference in between? Which sign is more number is here? That means plus. We have to put plus, that means even without plus we can write 137 and 35. You can make a rough 137 35 minus 567 0 1. That means 102. So this would be answer for this 137 and minus 35 addition. So students, now we will solve 3D. What is 3D here? Minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Minus 50 and minus 200 and 300. So students, if you make a glance here, 50 with minus sign, 200 with minus sign. So we have to add this two portion in separate, and this 300 with plus we have to keep it in separate. Then what is coming here? Minus minus, that means minus sign, minus 50 and again minus 200. Then what is the number here? Minus 250 plus 300. So here two numbers here. One is minus 250, another one is plus 300. So which sign should we write? Here is more, so we have to write plus sign. And how much? 50. That means here is no sign, means plus. So the addition of this is equal to 50. So like this we can add numbers without number line. Finally students, we have to solve for B. Look at the number 4b. 4, find the sum. Again we have to find the sum here. So here is no direction is here, addition with number line or without number line. So as without number line is, I think, easier, so we can find the sum without using number line. Now come to 4b. 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. So students, from here again what we have to do, here is no sign, that means plus. Here this is minus sign, this is minus sign, this is minus sign. We have to add all minus in one side, we have to keep plus in another side. And or in general what we have to do, we can do like this: plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. So as this is the number line, keep it like this and keep 37 in one side, plus minus 2 minus 65 minus 8, minus 2 minus 65 minus 8, 13, 14, 15, that means minus 75. So we can write here minus 75. How many minus number is here? Minus 2, here minus 65, here minus 8, that means minus 75. Now minus 75 and plus 37, which sign is stronger? That means here minus is more number, minus 75 but plus 37. So the sign would be minus. And how much? 75 and 37, 8 and 4, that means 3, that means 38. So what is the addition for this? What is the sum? Sum of this is equal to minus 38. So this would be the answer for this. So students, like this we can add numbers, all integers. These are all integers. We can add the integers and we can solve the problems. So students, keep the homework for this class. The homework would be online homework number 12, exercise 3.2, 2AC. Three BC, this is the homework for you. Solve these problems. Solve these problems at home and submit the copy to the teachers. So students, I hope you got the point. Like this you can solve the problems. So today to this, Allah Hafiz.